Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Music and Arts, Grade 5, Quarter 4, Lesson 2 to 3. Our topic for today is about exploring music and arts as influenced by Middle Spanish colonial period, 1600s to 1800s. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Discuss contemporary forms in performing and visual arts inspired by the conventions during 17th to 18th century. Learning objectives number 1. Review the definition of contemporary and conventional performing and visual arts. 2. Identify performing and visual arts forms with Spanish influence. 3. Relate contemporary art forms to the conventional arts during Spanish colonization. Week 2, Day 1. Short review. Activity 1. Arrange the sentence. Your teacher will prepare 2 sets of jumbled sentences. These sets of sentences are the definition of each. You will rearrange the words to complete the sentence. Example refers to the art of today, typically created in the latter half of the 20th century and onwards. Conventional art refers to art created using traditional mediums and techniques that have been around for centuries. Contemporary art refers to the art of today, typically created in the latter half of the 20th century and onwards. Activity 2, Give me 5. Each group will have their representatives in front of the class. Your teacher will shout, "Give me blank," and then each representative must give what your teacher said. Activity 3, Pass the ball for vocabulary activity. Your teacher will prepare a paper ball using bond paper with the vocabulary words and definition in it. Then, your teacher will play a song and pause it. Whoever has the ball, he or she will open one paper and read the text on it. Here are the vocabulary words. First, symbolism. Symbolism in arts refers to using symbols, objects, figures, or colors to layer meaning into an artwork. Second, medium. The materials used and/or the artistic process. Third, acting style. Refers to the specific approach an actor takes to portray a character. Fourth, stage movement. Stage movement, distinct from dance, is the intentional and purposeful way actors move on stage. Fifth, choreography. Choreography is the art of creating and arranging sequences of movements, typically for dancers. Sixth, harmony. Refers to the way different pitches or tones are combined to create pleasing or interesting sounds. Subtopic number 1, Contemporary forms in performing and visual arts inspired by 17th to 18th century. Questions? Which word are you familiar with from our prior activity? What can you say about the artwork you mentioned or activity? Are those words originally from the Philippines or not? Why or why not? Visual arts, painting. With a stark, modern aesthetic, Benedicto Cabrera, a national artist, reimagines the traditional Catholic devotionals in his Stations of the Cross series. Architecture. Magellan's Cross. Magellan's Cross is a reminder of how Christianity was brought to the Philippines. Calle Crisologo, Vegan Ilocos Sur excellently preserved houses of the noble Filipinos. Sculpture. The Transfiguration by Napoleon Abueva. Sculpture shows Jesus Christ during his transfiguration. The transfiguration is when Jesus Christ ascended to heaven from earth. Dance. Festival dances or street dances held during fiestas, commemoration of their patron saint. Folk dances, cariñosa, fandango, and polka. Theater, modern ballet theater. Walang Sugat by Severino Reyes. Walang Aray, Rodi Vera, reimagination of Walang Sugat. Music, Rondalia. Music, Harana. Serenade, love songs, Dungawin Mo, Hirang, Look Out the Window, My Beloved, Walang Kapalit, Ray Valera, Pasilyo, Sunkissed Lola. Music, Kundiman, Minamahal Kita, 1940, Mike Velarde Jr., Bituing Marikit, 1926, Nicanor Abelardo, Mutya ng Pasig, 1926, Nicanor Abelardo. Compare and contrast. Compare each picture using guide questions. Contemporary. Pillars of Philippine Modernism. Walang Sugat by Severino Reyes and Fulgencio Tolentino, Tenyong, and Julia Sin. Conventional, the Stations of the Cross, also known as Via Crucis. Tama Ka o Ligaya, Tanya Manalang, and Beb Atadero. Visual arts. Subject, Pillars of Philippine Modernism shows modern Filipino ideas, while Via Crucis shows the life and suffering of Jesus. Form, the first uses modern and abstract forms, while the second uses realistic forms. Symbolism, the first symbolizes changes and progress, while the second symbolizes faith and sacrifice. Medium, the first uses mixed media and paint, while the second uses paint on canvas. Performing arts, acting style, theater. Walang Sugat uses dramatic acting, while Tama Ka or Ligaya uses natural and modern acting. Stage movement or theater, Walang Sugat has planned movements for storytelling, while Tama Ka or Ligaya has free movements. Choreography or dance, Walang Sugat uses simple traditional dance, while Tama Ka or Ligaya uses energetic modern dance. Harmony or music, Walang Sugat uses folk music harmony, while Tama Ka or Ligaya uses modern and catchy harmony. Learners' takeaways. May aha moments. Let the learners complete the sentence. Let's answer. Before, I thought that arts were just for entertainment. But after listening to the lesson, I found out that arts show ideas, feelings, and culture. And that is my aha moment. Aha! One word closure. Describe your learning session or journey based on the first letter of your name. Example, I am Elaine. My name starts with letter E. For enjoyable. Formative assessment. How do conventional and contemporary arts similar? Answer, they are similar because both express ideas, feelings, and culture. In what means do they differ? Answer, they differ because conventional art follows traditions, while contemporary art uses new styles and ideas. 3. What do you think is the biggest contribution of conventional arts to our contemporary art? Answer, conventional art gives the foundation and inspiration for contemporary art.
Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!